What would happen if one day the person who does everything for you suddenly disappeared? There once lived a woman named Elena who had a little daughter named Lily. Elena loved her daughter more than anything in the world. From the moment Lily was born, Elena promised herself one thing: to protect her daughter from every sadness, every hardship, and every tear. As Lily grew up, her life was easy and carefree. From early morning until late evening, she did nothing but play, rest, and cause mischief. She never cleaned her toys. She never helped around the house. And she never worried about anything, because her mother was always there. Elena never complained. Even when Lily made a mess, she simply smiled and cleaned everything up. Every day she bought Lily new toys, cooked her favorite meals, and even sewed beautiful dresses just to make her happy. Lily became used to this life. Even as she grew older, she refused to do anything for herself. Then one day, everything changed. Elena became very ill. She was too weak to stand, too tired to move. She lay in bed for days, growing weaker and weaker. On the first day, she called softly, "Lily, could you bring me some hot broth?" Lily was surprised and even angry. "Why should I serve you?" she said. "Ask someone else." The next day, Elena asked again, "Lily, could you slice some bread for me?" But Lily refused again. "What if I hurt myself? Ask somebody else." On the third day, Elena was completely exhausted. With her last strength, she whispered, "Lily, please bring me some water." But Lily turned away. "No, I can't. Ask somebody else." And then, something unbelievable happened. Elena's body slowly became covered with feathers. Her arms turned into wings. In just a moment, she became a bird. Without looking back, she flew out of the window. "Mommy!" Lily cried, running after her. "Where are you going? Come back! Who's going to take care of me?" The bird looked down at her and said, "Now ask somebody else to do it. It's not my concern anymore." And then it flew away. From that day on, people say that some birds leave their eggs in other nests and let others raise their young. Perhaps it is a reminder that we should appreciate those who care for us. Because in our daily lives, we often forget their efforts. But those quiet acts of love are what make our lives warm and happy. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English stories.